after a health scare during a political rally in Jammu and Kashmir's Jasrota has triggered a huge political face-off. Let's first up tell you what really has happened. Now, the Congress president suddenly feels unwell while addressing a rally. Then he was visibly uncomfortable. Those are images also up on your screens. His voice was shaky and he just stops his speech midway. And when the Congress workers realize that the party chief's health condition is deteriorating, they rush him to give him support. Mallikarjun Kharge here was then made to rest on the sofa that is just kept on the stage. When he feels a little better and he regains consciousness, then he resumes his speech. But what he said after he gets better and after he takes to the dais again leads to a huge political storm. Now, the Congress chief says that he will not die until Prime Minister Modi is ousted. That was his first response. We've broken down the entire sequence of events for you on what really has happened during his rally. Let's play out also that entire sequence to help you understand what happened.
सरकार आने पर आतंकवाद हम खत्म करेंगे और मोदी जी ऐसे धमकाने की बात मत करो। आपके पास, आपके आरएसएस के पास ताकत नहीं, उसका डबल ताकत मेरे कांग्रेसियों में है, मेरे नौजवानों में है और इस देश को हम बचा सकते हैं, आप कभी नहीं बचाएंगे। मैं ऐसा ही छोड़ने वाला नहीं। अब मेरे को तो 83 इयर्स चल रहे, इतना जल्दी मरने वाला नहीं हूँ। जब तक मोदी को नहीं हटाएंगे तब तक मैं जिंदा ही रहूंगा, आपकी बात सुनूंगा, आपके लिए लड़ूंगा। धन्यवाद।
And after learning about Kharge's ill health, the Prime Minister also calls the Congress president. He inquires about his health. The Congress sources have also confirmed that Kharge's health is now stable, but the remarks he made about the Prime Minister moments after he gets better and he returns to the dais has clearly led to a sharp war of words between top leaders of the BJP and the Congress. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has taken to the social media earlier and he says that the speech by Mallikarjun Kharge was disgraceful. It was distasteful is what he says. The Home Minister also asked that why drag in the Prime Minister in personal matters. He's also said that they would pray for his long and healthy life and wish that he lives long enough to see the Viksit Bharat 2047 dream turn into a reality. Watch how the BJP has countered the remarks that were made by the Congress chief.
के साहब नरेंद्र मोदी हजारों साल तक भारत की जनता के दिलों पर वास करते रहेंगे। कोई जिंदा रहे, कोई मर जाए, इससे कोई अंतर नहीं पड़ सकता है। मोदी जी वो व्यक्ति हैं जो भारत में गरीबों के मसीहा के रूप में।
हम लोग प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं खड़गे साहब की तबीयत ठीक हो जाए, लेकिन आप सोचिए कि जिनकी तबीयत खराब है, दोनों हाथ पकड़ करके कांग्रेस उनको माइक पे खड़ा किए हुए है और वो अपने मन में इतनी नफरत पाल रखे हैं नरेंद्र मोदी जी के लिए कि तबीयत खराब होने में भी ऐसी नफरत भरी बात करते हैं। ये कांग्रेस का फितरत है, ये खड़गे साहब का दोष नहीं है, ये कांग्रेस की फितरत है।
With regard to Kharge ji's desire to say that I'm going to live as long as I can so that I evict Prime Minister Modi ji from the position of Prime Minister, that is for the people of India to decide. The people of India have already blessed Modi ji to serve the country in 2014, in 2019, now in 2024. So Kharge ji is entitled to have a political agenda. I don't think we should mix the two issues and politicize it.
And do remember, the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman earlier has also taken aim at the Congress party over those kind of remarks where he said, Marunga nahi, जब तक नरेंद्र मोदी को हटा नहीं देता. This is what Mallikarjun Kharge said. Now, Nirmala Sitharaman says that the Congress never loses an opportunity to display their hatred towards Prime Minister Modi. The Congress too has responded to the BJP's attack. The Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has also a message for the Home Minister Amit Shah. In his latest post on the social media, he says that the Home Minister must focus on serious issues like Manipur, like census and caste census, raking up the caste census issue. He also says that the Congress is determined to get it done, taking a cue from their party. The Congress leaders like Jairam Ramesh and Pawan Khera are also ratcheting up the entire pressure on the BJP over Manipur and caste census. First up, exactly what Mallikarjun Kharge said, and then we have more responses from the Congress.
स्टेटहुड का तो मैं बोला हूँ, स्टेटहुड जरूर देंगे और उसके लिए हम जरूर लड़ेंगे, चाहे कुछ भी हो. मैं ऐसा ही छोड़ने वाला नहीं. अब मेरे को तो 83 इयर्स चल रहे, इतना जल्दी मरने वाला नहीं हूँ. जब तक मोदी को नहीं हटाएंगे तब तक मैं जिंदा ही रहूंगा, आपकी बात सुनूंगा, आपके लिए लड़ूंगा.
It's not hatred for Narendra Modi. Who is Narendra Modi? It's love for India. Anybody who loves India would like to free India from Narendra Modi.
So we'll continue to track that